there, this is Mrs. Michelson, and I'm here to show you a tutorial on how to play Gently Sleep on the recorder. Now remember that we play a G on the second line. We play it with 3 fingers down and 1 thumb hole, like that. And whenever you see a note on the second space, it's an A, and you play it with 2 fingers down and the thumb hole. And whenever you see a B on the third line, every good burger, the first finger is covered over the thumb hole. Now, with Gently Sleep, it's the same notes that we had before in Hot Cross Buns. They're just in a different order. Let's sing and finger just these 2 measures here. So I'm going to point and you can finger along while we're singing. Here we go. We're going to sing and finger nice and slowly. G, A, B, A, G, A. Now, remember when you're singing and fingering, it would look like this. I'm looking at my music and I go G, A, B, A, G, A. The other thing you need to remember is that the quarter note is shorter than the half note. The half note gets 2 beats and the quarter note gets 1 beat each. Okay? So let's sing and finger it together one more time, just those first 2 measures. Ready, sing and finger. G, A, B, A, G, A. Now, let's try to play it. 1, 2, ready, play. Good job. Now, this little mark right here means that that's where you're supposed to take a breath. Okay? Now, let's sing and finger this next measure right here. G, A, B. Look, they're exactly the same. And then the last measure is A, B, G, which is different than this one. So please take a note that it's different. Let's sing and finger this measure and this measure. Ready? Sing and finger. G, A, B, A, B, G. Now, I'm going to sing and finger it with you here. G, A, B, A, B, G. Now let's just play those 2 measures, starting right here. Gently Sleep with that smile right here and here. Let's play those together. 1, 2, softly play. Now the hardest part is going from the G, or I'm sorry, not the G, from the A to the B to the G on that last measure, right here. A, B, G. Again, it looks like this. A, B, G. Okay? Now let's sing and finger our way through the whole first line. I'm going to have my music right here so I can sing and move my fingers, and you're going to look at your music so that you can sing and move your fingers and follow along. 1, 2, sing, finger. G, A, B, A, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, G. Good. Now let's play it. 1, 2, ready. Now, I have some good news for you. This whole second line right here is the same as the first line. So if you played the first line and you had no problems, you can do the second line. So let's sing and finger our way through the whole song, and then we'll play it together. Singing and fingering. 1, 2, sing and finger. G, A, B, A, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, G. Second line. G, A, B, A, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, G. Now let's play it all together. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope that helped, and I hope that you have a lot of your questions answered, and if you need anything else, I'll be there to help you too in class. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear your version of Gently Sleep.